Windy day today, but that's fine. A little rainy, don't care. Out here wandering, menagerie, trying to stay away from people. I don't get along with people. But we've wandered places we've never wandered before. But there's a butt ton of trash everywhere. And we found a wash rag. And that is someone's underpants. Why is everybody always wandering around with that underpants up here? Put your damn pants back up, people. That's just weird. Trash is getting annoying. Ain't your mama? Pick up your own damn trash, people. And underpants. That's odd. Uh-huh. Those waves keep slapping you, huh? You got a soggy face. That's twice now. This is where you were chasing the waves when you were a little pup. Big, you sure you want to go out there that far, you goober? Yeah? What? Gutsy with those waves. What? Ain't that a little cold? And yeah, I see you grabbed a rock. You're such a dude. I ain't touching the water. Wasn't there enough sunshine today for me to be touching the water? There's a giant goober that's playing it. What did you grab, you weirdo? Grabbing weird things in the water. Aren't you? Is that fun? Alright. Those are lever rights, so leave it right there and come on. I don't know if you can see them all, but there's a bunch of seagulls flying around. Oh, yeah. There's seagulls everywhere. Come on. There's a bunch of seagulls up there. I forget where we read it or where we were. It said how many different species of seagulls there were in Colorado alone. I think it said there was like 12 or something. I don't completely remember. Little birdies up there. Yeah. You didn't get that stick? I thought so. It's not a good stick? Okay. Yeah. I saw that big wave come up and slap you right in the face. I didn't have the camera on yet, but he had his head down. And a big wave came out and went whack! Grizzly got bitch slapped by a wave. Yeah, but he liked it. It was one of the first times he went fishing. We were over there, and there was big rollers coming across this way, and he would chase them all the way down. It was quite funny. I think I have it on video. Now what you find? Just finding random floating things in the water. Well, we should probably stop playing in the water so you can dry off a bit. No? Oh, a dust cloud. There's a lot of muck in the water. Wow. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a lot of muck washing up. I was going to do a pretty short video right there at the water's edge, but they're not pretty when you see all the muck. Between that and the long pig trash today, it's a bit annoying. Yeah. Glad you lost it in the water, you goober. Yeah, good rock. Alright, let's keep going.